Greetings from Sarvan Singh, friends. All of us want to have good personality. But do you know which are some common traits or qualities which a person of good personality has? In this short video, I'm going to explain to you, I'm going to tell you which are six very common traits or qualities which a person of good personality has. If you know these traits or qualities, you can analyze yourself where you stand as far as these traits or qualities are concerned. And if you don't have these qualities or traits, you can try to develop these traits or qualities. Six elements of good personality. This is the title of the presentation I'm going to make today in this video to explain to you which are these six traits or qualities which a person of good personality has to enable you to analyze yourself. Just give me a minute before I switch on the PPT to explain to you these six common qualities of a person of good personality. Here we are, six elements of good personality. So which are these six elements a person of good personality has? Before we get into which are these qualities, let's first try to analyze who is a person of good personality. Are you a person of good personality? There is no complicated definition of a person of good personality. At very fundamental or very simple level, the definition of a person of good personality is this. That is, do people like you? If the answer to this question is yes, yes, people like you, then you are a person of good personality. Otherwise, you should have to analyze yourself to find out where do you lack and why people don't like you. Generally, people like those people who have these six qualities. Which are these six qualities? Let's learn about them. First quality, a person of good personality is a good listener. Why one has to be a good listener? The answer is very simple. When I listen to somebody, I have to respond to that person after listening. But suppose I have not listened to somebody properly, will I be able to respond to that person in proper manner, in rightful manner? Obviously no, because I have not listened to what this person was saying. And if I continuously keep ignoring people, not listening to what they are saying, and always giving wrong response, for how long people will keep liking me? That's the basic question. And please remember, a person of good personality is one who is liked by others. So if you are not a good listener, people will not like you for long. One, two, you will not be able to respond to people properly. So, number one quality that a person of good personality has, that he or she is a good listener. And which is the second quality? That's this, he has an opinion. What this really means, when you go to this person, he or she is able to give you an advice on your problem. You have a problem, you want solution to some problem, and you go to somebody thinking that the person you go and meet will be able to give you some solution to your problem. And who do we go to? We normally go to people we like. If this person is not able to give you an opinion or offer you some advice, for how long will you like this person? Of course, ability to give an opinion also means that this person has a lot of general knowledge. Without general knowledge, you will not be able to offer an advice or give an opinion. So second very important quality of a person of good personality is that this person is able to give you an opinion or offer you a solution to your problem. I go to this person because I like him and I think that this person will be able to give me some solution to my problem. So second quality, he has an opinion, has is able to give me advice to my problem. Third, he doesn't imitate anybody. Please remember one very important sentence. You can never be best copy of anybody, but you can always be best of yourself. Nobody likes copycats. Don't try to be copycat. Try to be original. People will like you more as you rather than copy of somebody else. In any case, we can never be perfect copy of anybody. And incidentally, who do we try to copy? Who are our role models we try to copy? Most of us try to copy film stars. And what do we try to copy? We try to copy their hairstyle, the body language, their six packs, etc., which really are of no value at all. Do not try to imitate anybody. Be original. Be yourself. Be the best in what you are. This will make people like you instead of you trying to copy somebody, imitating somebody, and ending up neither that person nor yourself. Third, fourth, she has positive attitude. Who wants to be around people who are always grumbling, who are always complaining, who have nothing positive to say about anything? Who wants to be around such people? We always want to be around those who have positive things to say about others, about themselves, and they always create a positive, energetic environment. We like those people who are always emitting positive energy and not those who are always grumbling, complaining, and are always emitting negative energy. Positive attitude really means, are you always emitting positive energy? Are you always thinking good about others? Do you always have good thoughts about others in your mind? That's it. Positive attitude is not something very complicated to develop. It's very simple. The kind of thoughts you have in your mind. If you have positive thoughts, you think positive about others, you think that you will be able to achieve whatever you set out to be. That's positive attitude. Nobody wants to be surrounded by those who are always spreading negative vibes. So this person of good personality has positive attitude. Very important. Sixth, suppose you go to meet somebody and the person is never treating you properly, never greets you properly, never speaks to you properly. For how long will you like company of such person? A person of good personality always treats others with respect. Now, please understand, giving respect does not mean that they will always be agreeing with you. It doesn't mean that. All it means is that even when they disagree with you, they will give you respect. They will treat you respectfully and respectfully explain to you their point of view. So, a person of good personality always treats people with respect. And the most important sixth quality of a person of good personality. In fact, we could say good listening skills and she and he is supportive of others are equally important qualities. What it really means is that a person of good personality is always willing to help others, is supportive of others. Why do I go to somebody I like? I go to that person thinking that if I have a problem, this person will help me out. And if this person is not willing to help me out, is always giving me excuses about why he can't help me, for how long will I like this person? For how long will I like to keep this person in my circle? We want very good listening skills because I will respond to somebody after listening. If I don't respond properly, people are not going to like me. And another very, very important trait or quality is, am I helpful to my friends? Do I fulfill my promises to my friends? If I do this, rest assured you have good personality. Otherwise, you can have all other traits or qualities of a good person or person of good personality. But if you are not a good listener and you are not supportive of others, nobody is going to like you for long. And please remember one line definition of a person of good personality. It is, do people like you? So here are six traits or qualities of a person of good personality. Now you can start analyzing yourself. Where do you stand in terms of these six qualities? And if you feel that you are not up to the mark in a particular quality, one or more than one, you should try to develop those. And it's not very difficult to develop these qualities or traits. If you develop these qualities or traits, only six of them, people will start liking you, and then they'll definitely start saying you are a person of good personality. Please remember, you are not what you think you are. You are what others perceive about you, what others think about you. If others think you are a person of good personality, you are a person of good personality. And a person of good personality has basically these six very basic, very common traits and qualities. Six elements of good personality. Now, as is my wont, I will also take some of your time to explain to you, to tell you the products that we offer through online coaching, spoken English, business English, English grammar, IELTS, etc., etc., etc. Corporate training programs and training programs for educational institutes. Now, some of our training programs for educational institutes are pro bono, free of charge. And anybody who wants to take a service in any of those subjects is welcome to contact us at these numbers. Thank you very much, and I hope that this short video will help you to improve your quality. To improve your personality. Thank you very much.